Next we have our move AX to O200. So we have our address, this is going to be 103, and the address we can look at a tracing chart to see is correct 103, and all of our data is going to come from this row. And we also know that we could just take this 103 from having 3 bits. So we go from 100 here, and then we're having 3 more bits here, because the value that we input is 3 bits, because we're passing in this 120 here. So passing in 120 is a 3-bit increase. Now what we're going to do is type in our move, our destination, and then our source, which is this 200. We know that we're going to move some value in memory to our register A of X, because this is a value of memory register, and then we're moving it to our A of X. So it's a move instruction that we can look down here, and we have this right here. This is a special type of move, because we see that we have our memory to AL or AX or EAX inside of here. So it's going to be either this or this, because this also has A of X. So what we want to do is actually note that it is going to be the first one, because the second one says we're going to be moving these to our memory, but we're actually moving from memory to a register. So we're taking whatever is in our memory and moving it to the register to store it. So we're going to have our memory to A of X, meaning that we're going to have 10, 10, 0, 0, W, and this is a full displacement. And so we're going to type in our 1010 here, and then we are going to type in a 0, 0, 0, 0, and then we're going to tack on our W at the end. So we see that the W is right here, and we have 0, 0, 0, and then we have this W, and so that is how that would line up. And this is just going to be 1 in binary. That's why we have this A1, and now we have all of our zeros. We see we have the full displacement, so we're going to take the little endian of this. The 2 zeros are first, and then the O2 is next. So, this should have an H at the end as well. I think I removed that. But this means that right here we're going to have 3 zeros and then our 2. And so when we have it in here, we have A1, 0, 0, 0, and then our 2. A way we can check this is just by looking back here and making sure this lines up properly, which it does. The next one we're going to be looking at is our move B of X, and this one's slightly bigger.